So algebra removing brackets, can we do an absolute whirlwind tour of this? So some questions we've got here. Look at this first one. 3 on the brackets of x plus 1. So basically we've got 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 1 then, and the arrows are even quicker than it is 3. Don't forget to multiply that bit at the end. The outside bit multiplied by this and the outside bit multiplied by this. So 3 by 1 is 3. Next one, we've got 4 times x plus 2, so that's going to be 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 2y is 8y. Easy peasy. Next one there is 2 times x plus 4, that's 2x plus 8. Number 4, we've got 3 times 2a is 6a, 3 times b is 3b. Next one is 4 times x is 4x, 4 times y is 4y. 4x plus 4y. Then we've got 6 times a is 6a, and then 6 times minus 2b, plus by minus is minus, and 6 by 2b is 12b. So minus 12b. Don't forget the letters. 3 times x is 3x, 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, plus don't forget unlike signs give minus, 3 by 2 gives 6. Number 8, 5 times 2a is 10a, 5 times minus 4b is minus 20b, plus by minus is minus, 5 by 4 is 20, 5 by 4b is 20b. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3y is 6y, so plus 6y, so 2x plus 6y is the answer to that one. Next we have 6 times a is 6a, and 6 times minus 3b, so unlike signs give minus, 6 times 3 is 18, so 6 times 3b is 18b, so that's minus 18b, putting it all together. 3 times 2x is 6x, 3 times y is 3y, I think you're getting the point here in all these. 7 times 2a is 14a, 7 times minus 4b, plus by minus, unlike signs give minus, 7 times 4b is 28b. 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times minus 3, unlike signs give minus, and 5 by 3 is 15, so that's minus 15. 4 times 4a is 16a, 4 times 3b is 12b. Moving on, you've got 6 times 2x is 12x, and 6 times 3y is 18y, and that's basically it for this section.